defending champion Casey Stoner beat Jorge Lorenzo to first place at Laguna Seca to close the gap on the Spaniard at the top of the MotoGP standings. The Australian overhauled Repsol Honda teammate Dani Pedrosa before passing Lorenzo with 11 laps to go. Pedrosa had to settle for third while Ben Spies completed a torrid weekend on his home circuit by crashing out. British rider Cal Crutchlow finished fifth after failing to find a way past Andrea Dovizioso. Stoner's race-winning maneuver, which came as he and Lorenzo exited the final turn of lap 20, moves him to within 32 points of the championship leader and 9 points behind second-placed Pedrosa. The trio started the race at the front of the grid, with Lorenzo on pole, and they quickly pulled away from the field on the dusty Californian track.